Hi guys, I'm here yet again with a remote job. Digital Global Marketing is hiring for multiple positions that I'd like to share with you today. Basically, their mission is to fulfill the positivity in the world and to help with industry standards and also to basically keep their reputation in assisting those around the world. Now, they are in the Caribbean and they're located in Kingston, Jamaica. However, they do have some on site positions available as well as remote jobs. Now, I deal with remote jobs, so I'll be emphasizing mostly on the remote jobs. Now, as you can see, these are the team members of the company. All right, so let's get into it. Graphic designer, that's a remote position. They have project lead, remote as well. Rainmaker, development officer, remote as well. Digital marketing officer is a remote position. And as you go along, when you click on the blue highlighted positions, you'll see more details about the project at hand and job description. People officer is also remote.